Are you curious about Splash Foam Toilet Cleaner and wondering if it's worth your money? Let's break it down. Splash Foam promises to be a revolutionary cleaning powder that quickly foams up when exposed to water, claiming to clean your toilet effortlessly. All you need to do is sprinkle, wait 30 minutes, and flush. Sounds simple, right? But does it live up to the hype? The product contains citric acid, which is a common cleaning agent. But beyond that, the claims don't seem to hold water. Literally. Many users report that the promised foaming action either doesn't happen or is minimal. Instead of the advertised hands-free cleaning, users are left scrubbing with a brush. So much for no hands cleaning. Let's talk about the reviews. Some customers are happy, praising the product for its scent and septic tank safety. However, these seem to be the minority. The majority of users express frustration, saying the product doesn't clean effectively, doesn't foam as shown, and in some cases, leaves behind blue stains. One reviewer even noted that the buildup in their toilet turned blue instead of being cleaned. The lack of return policies for opened products only adds to the dissatisfaction. Then, there's the price. At over $20 for a few small packets, this cleaner is far from budget-friendly. Customers who followed the directions to the letter were disappointed to find no results, even after extended wait times. Some were told by customer service to add vinegar or baking soda for better performance, raising questions about why an extra step is needed for a product marketed as a miracle cleaner. The biggest red flag? The false advertising. Splash Foam's promotional videos show foaming action reaching the toilet rim, but real-life results fall embarrassingly short. At this price, you'd expect a product that works as promised, not one that adds to your workload. In short, Splash Foam seems more like a gimmick than a game changer. Save your money and stick with tried-and-true cleaning methods